Hello?
Finally. I've been on hold for 20 minutes, and before that, I was transferred to someone else who put me on hold for a half hour. Now, please don't tell me I'm gonna have to explain everything all over to you again. Hello?
What?
Don't tell me I'm gonna have to explain everything again. Do not put me on hold again. Do not put me on...
This is cool.
Good afternoon. My name is Hamid. How is the weather in Biloxi?
Come on, man. I've been on the phone for half an hour. This
Yes.
should be resolved
Yes,
by
sir.
now.
I understand your frustration.
This
Yes.
is horrible. I can't stand...
Yeah, I just want to know how to turn off autocomplete when I type in my password.
Yes. I understand your frustration. Did you unplug your computer, ma'am?
No. What does that have to do with anything?
I'm sorry, I've only been working here a short distance. How was the weather in Biloxi?
How the hell should I know? I live in Cleveland.
I understand your frustration. That's cool.
I tried that, and it still didn't work, and I tried it again, but, you know, I still keep getting the same error thing, and it's really not...
Do people ever tell you sound boring on the phone? Can you, like, shut up and tell me how to get this computer to show porn?
What? You gotta be kidding me. Where's your supervisor?
Please, just tell me, how do you turn off the frickin' autocomplete feature? Because every time I try to sign onto the frickin' internet...
Do you have any matches? Try setting it on fire.
What the... I want your name right now.
My name is Hamid.
Spell that!
Okay, Hamid.